it's the Real Panda King channel again. We're gonna show you how to get another badge. We're gonna show you how to get the firework badge. Where is firework? Look, you can see I don't have it. So what you need to equip is the alchemist. Let me see where it's at, and it's right here. And someone's gonna need to put the oven. It works on private servers too. So you just gotta find a bag full of flowers. If not, if you don't see it anywhere, just reset your character and just go back. So we'll see right now if you can find it. Hey.
Anybody want a corn?
Yeah. There's nothing, just reset.
Sonic.
Game Boy over there. You want that? You want the corn, Game Boy?
Sure.
No?
Yeah, what?
You gotta pick your own corn, boy.
I think that's it over there. This is a log, right? Yeah, underwood. Still no bag. Okay, now we reset.
All you know is at least one of those red.
And then let's see if you can find the bag. Still no bag? Wow. Okay. Just reset. Oh, I found the bag. Grab the cake mix. Alright. So what he's gonna do. Alright. Yo! Okay. Put it in, and after that, it just cooks. And then you eat the cake. And then you get the badge. And you get a chef hat. So it's pretty good. That's it for this video.